Hey there, money-hungry viewers. Welcome back to M Squared. Tired of the daily grind? Want to earn while you sleep? Then listen up. Today we're talking about dividends, your golden ticket to financial freedom. Imagine waking up every month to a nice, fat deposit in your account, all thanks to your smart investments. That's the power of dividends, folks. It's about building lasting wealth and securing your financial future. Dividends are like the gift that keeps on giving. You're not just relying on stock prices going up, you're getting paid for simply owning a piece of a company. It's passive income at its finest. Now, I'm not saying it's a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, strategy, and a little bit of that Kramer magic. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Forget slaving away at a 9-to-5. With dividends, you can build a portfolio that generates a steady stream of income month after month, year after year. It's about taking control of your finances and building a future where money works for you, not the other way around. As always, please remember, we do not provide financial advice. The material covered is either for information purposes or for fun only. So, ready to unlock the secrets of dividend investing? Let's dive in. Alright, let's break down this dividend game. What exactly are dividends? They're essentially a portion of a company's profits that get paid out to shareholders. That's you! It's like getting a cut of the pie just for being part of the club. Now, not all stocks pay dividends. You've got to find the right players in the market. That's where Dividend Aristocrats come in. These are companies that have a long and impressive history of increasing their dividends year after year. Talk about consistency. Think of them as the royalty of the dividend world. Then you've got your high-yield stocks. These bad boys offer a bigger slice of the pie, meaning a higher dividend payout. They might not have the legacy of the aristocrats, but they can provide a serious boost to your passive income stream. And don't forget about REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. Think shopping malls, apartment buildings, the works. REITs are required to pay out a significant portion of their profits as dividends, making them a popular choice for income-focused investors. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different dividend-paying stocks and REITs to minimize risk and maximize returns. Now let's do some math and figure out how to reach that sweet $1,000 per month goal. Alright, let's talk numbers. We're aiming for $1,000 per month in dividends. To figure out how much you need to invest, understand dividend yields. A 4% yield pays $4 per year for every $100 invested. To earn $1,000 per month, you'd need $12,000 per year in dividends. Do the math, and you'll need $240,000 invested in a 5% yield stock. Most dividend stocks fall between 2 and 4%. A diversified portfolio with an average yield of 3% requires $400,000 invested. The higher the yield, the less you need to invest, but higher yields can come with higher risks. It's all about finding the right balance between risk and reward. Now let's look at some specific stocks and REITs to build your dividend powerhouse. Stock and REITs. Alright, enough with the numbers. Let's talk about stocks, baby. Remember, I'm not giving you financial advice here, just throwing out some ideas to get those gears turning. First up, we've got our Dividend Aristocrats. These are the blue chips, the stalwarts of the market. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These guys have been paying and increasing dividends for decades. Talk about a track record. Next, let's look at some high-yield contenders. Real estate can be a goldmine for dividends, and REITs are the way to go. 2 words, realty income. This company owns a massive portfolio of properties and pays out monthly dividends like clockwork. Another great option is Digital Realty Trust, a leader in data centers. With the data boom in full swing, this REIT is well positioned for continued growth. Now for a bit of international flavor, check out Unilever. This consumer goods giant has a global reach and a long history of dividend payments. And don't forget about healthcare. Abbott Laboratories is a diversified healthcare company with a solid dividend track record. Remember, this is just a starting point. Do your own research, folks. Look for companies with a history of profitability, strong cash flow, and a commitment to sharing those profits with shareholders. Alright, let's move on to building that portfolio. Crafting your dividend portfolio, a step-by-step roadmap. So, you're ready to build your dividend-generating machine. Where do you even begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, you need a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market. There are tons of options out there, so do your research and find one that fits your needs. Next, it's time to fund that account. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with what you can afford to invest consistently, even if it's just a small amount. The key is to get started and build momentum. Now comes the fun part, buying stocks. Use the recommendations from the previous section as a starting point, but remember to do your own research. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across different sectors and industries to reduce risk. Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to sit back and let those dividends roll in, right? Not so fast. You need to monitor your portfolio regularly. Keep an eye on your investments, track their performance, and make adjustments as needed. And remember, reinvest those dividends. This is the key to exponential growth. By reinvesting your dividends, you're buying more shares, which means more dividends and so on. It's the magic of compounding in action. Now let's wrap things up with some final thoughts. The power of consistency, reaping long-term rewards. Dividend investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about slow, steady growth over time. It's about building a portfolio that can weather market storms and continue to generate passive income year after year. It's about taking control of your financial future and securing your financial freedom. The key to success in dividend investing is consistency. Make it a habit to invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount. Remember, time is your greatest ally. The longer you let your investments compound, the more powerful the results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see massive returns overnight. Building a substantial dividend income stream takes time and patience. Stay focused on your goals, stay disciplined with your investments, and trust in the power of compounding. The rewards will come. Start your dividend journey today. So there you have it, folks. Dividend investing demystified. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The sooner you start, the sooner you can begin building your passive income stream and working towards financial freedom. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your dividend income grow over time. Remember, the only bad investment is the one you don't make. Now go out there and start building your dividend empire. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for hanging with me. If you like this video, you're going to love the one on your screen right now. It's packed with even more great information for you to enjoy. Click it, and we'll see you on the other side.